right, so we were just saying, how can we have the x be root 3 over 2? X would be to the left fingers, so 3 fingers down, or sorry, 3 fingers up would be our ring finger down, and that represents a 30-degree reference angle. So in quadrant 1, that would be our angle, 30 degrees. Quadrant 4, if we have a 30-degree reference angle, we have to subtract that from 360, which gives us a 330-degree angle. We need to convert that into radians. Think of 30 over 180. That would be 1/6 of it. So 30 degrees would be pi over 6. Now, 330 is 30 times 11. So pi times 11 is 11 pi over the 6. All right. Is this it? Cool. Inverse tangent is equal to -1. So again, the only way, oh no, this isn't it. The only way we can get it to -1 is it's got to be either the root 2's or the negative root 2's. So it's when one of the coordinates is positive, one of them is negative. It has to be the root 2's, which remember means that it's a 45-degree reference angle. Now, when is the tangent negative? Well, if you look at our notes, the tangent would be negative in quadrants 2 and 4. So we're going to find the degrees with a 45-degree reference angle in quadrants 2 and 4. So quadrant 2, we could do 180 minus the 45, which is 135 degrees. For quadrant 4, that's 360 degrees minus our angle, which is 315 degrees. There's our 2 degrees, 135 degrees and 315. So look at this for a second. These are our 45s, right? There's 4 of them in 180 degrees. There's 8 of them altogether in 360 degrees. So think of it in eighths. Well, think of it in fourths because we're going based on pi here. 135 would be 3/4. So we'll say 3 pi over 4. Because we're considering like 180 to be one whole. 315 is just this 45-degree reference angle. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pi over 4. Or do the conversion. 315 over 1 times pi over 180. I think you guys will be happier if you can think of it in that fractional way. When is the tangent equal to root 3? So it's positive. The only times the tangent could be positive are in quadrant 1 or quadrant 3. Now, how can we get it y divided by x to equal root 3? It's going to have to either be a 30-degree reference angle or a 60-degree reference angle. Because remember, the 45 comes out to 1 or -1. So let's try like a 30-degree reference angle. So that would be, right? The y would be 1/2. The x would be root 3 over 2. So if we did y divided by x, it would be 1/2 divided by root 3 over 2, which we would change that to 2 over root 3. The 2's cancel. We're left with 1 over root 3, which is really root 3 over 3. So that one doesn't work. So it's going to be the 60-degree reference angle. So that would be putting our pointer finger down. Our x is 1/2. Our y would be root 3 over 2. So it would be root 3 over 2 divided by 1/2, which we write as times 2 over 1.